In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook pixel to Stan Store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your pixel properly connected, so you can start tracking visitors and conversions from your Stan Store into your Facebook Ads Manager. I'll go step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, open your browser and log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. There, you should see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. When the settings page loads, you'll automatically land on the Profile Settings tab, so you don't need to switch tabs or navigate anywhere else at this point. On this Profile Settings page, scroll down slowly until you find a section labeled Analytics. This is where Stan Store lets you connect different tracking tools. Inside this Analytics section, you'll see a field called Facebook Pixel ID. Directly below that label, there will be an empty text box waiting for your Pixel ID. Now, before you paste anything in, make sure you already have your Facebook Pixel ID copied from your Meta Business settings. It's usually a string of numbers that identifies your specific pixel. Be careful to copy only the ID itself, without any extra spaces or characters. Once you've got that copied, click into the Facebook Pixel ID text field in Stan Store and paste your ID there. After pasting, take a quick moment to double check that the number looks complete and hasn't been cut off. When you're confident it's correct, look for the button labeled Update on the page. This button will save your analytics changes. Click Update once and then wait a few seconds while Stan Store processes the new information. You don't need to refresh the page manually, just give it a little time. After a short moment, a pop-up message should appear at the top of your screen. This message will confirm that your analytics have been updated successfully. Seeing this confirmation means your Facebook Pixel ID has been saved and is now connected to your Stan Store. From this point on, your pixel will begin tracking visitors and events on your store, which you'll be able to view inside your Facebook or Meta Ads Manager. And that's all you need to do to add a Facebook pixel to Stan Store.